How to auto scroll YouTube shorts. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe a YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your YouTube app and then hit your profile icon and then proceed to your settings. You can see your profile option at the very top of your screen. Now go to your settings option just below your account. You can see the settings. Just hit that setting. Now just below your general you can see the autoplay. Now you can see your autoplay option. If you want to auto scroll your YouTube shorts, just switch on your mobile phone and tablet option and it will scroll your YouTube shorts automatically. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye and thanks for watching.